If you're over 60 and your balance feels weaker lately, this may not be just aging. Some everyday foods may quietly be making your walking, your stability, and even your fear of falling worse. Today, I'll show you 3 common foods many seniors eat every day that may be hurting balance without realizing it. And food number 3 surprises almost everyone. As we get older, balance becomes extremely important. Not just for exercise, but for everyday life. Walking safely, getting out of bed, using stairs, even turning around in the kitchen. And many people don't realize this. The foods we eat can affect inflammation, muscle strength, hydration, blood sugar, brain clarity, and even how steady we feel while walking. Now, this video is not about fear. It's about helping your body work with you, not against you. And when healthy eating is combined with gentle movement, like Tai Chi Walking, the body often feels calmer, stronger, and more stable. Food number 1: ultra-processed, salty foods. Food number 1: ultra-processed, salty foods. Things like chips, processed frozen meals, fast food, packaged snacks, instant noodles, and heavily processed meats like bacon, sausages, or deli meats. Now, salt itself is not the enemy. Our bodies actually need some sodium. But the problem is this: many processed foods today contain extremely high amounts of sodium, along with preservatives, artificial ingredients, and unhealthy fats. And over time, too much of these foods may place extra stress on the body. For many adults over 60, this can contribute to water retention, swelling in the feet and ankles, stiff joints, fatigue, and increased blood pressure. And when the body feels swollen, heavy, or inflamed, walking simply doesn't feel as comfortable. Some people notice that after eating a very salty processed meal, their shoes suddenly feel tighter, their knees feel stiff, their ankles feel less flexible, and even balance can feel slightly off. That's because excess sodium can cause the body to hold on to extra fluid. And when fluid builds up, it may create pressure and discomfort in the joints, especially around the knees, feet, and lower legs. And after 60, small changes in mobility can make a big difference in confidence while walking. When movement feels heavier, many people naturally walk less. And unfortunately, less movement can lead to weaker muscles, reduced circulation, and even poorer balance over time. But the encouraging news is this: the body often responds surprisingly quickly to healthier food choices. Many older adults say they feel lighter, less bloated, and more energetic within just a few days of reducing heavily processed foods. Instead, try choosing simpler, more natural foods more often. Things like fresh vegetables, homemade soups, grilled chicken or fish, beans, fruit, oatmeal, rice, sweet potatoes, or lightly seasoned home-cooked meals. These foods are often easier on the body, and they may help support better circulation, steadier energy, less inflammation, and more comfortable walking. You do not need a perfect diet, and you do not need to give up every favorite food. Even small changes made consistently can help the body feel calmer, lighter, and more supported after 60. And when the body feels better, walking often feels safer, smoother, and more enjoyable too. Food number 2: too much sugar. Food number 2: too much sugar. Things like cookies, sweet coffee drinks, soda, desserts, ice cream, candy, pastries, and even some breakfast cereals that seem healthy. After 60, blood sugar swings can affect much more than energy. They may also affect focus, reaction time, mood, nerve health, and even stability while walking. When blood sugar rises very quickly, the body often responds with a sudden crash afterward. And during that crash, many older adults say they feel tired, foggy, weak, lightheaded, or shaky on their feet. Some people notice that after eating a very sugary breakfast or dessert, their energy feels strong for a short time, but later, they suddenly feel drained. The legs feel heavier, the mind feels slower, and simple movements like walking, standing up, or climbing stairs may feel more difficult. And over time, too much added sugar may also increase inflammation throughout the body. That inflammation can make joints feel more uncomfortable, especially the knees, hips, lower back, and feet. For some adults over 60, high sugar intake may also affect circulation and nerve sensitivity. And healthy nerves are extremely important for balance, because the body relies on nerves to help the brain understand where the feet are, how the body is moving, and how to stay steady while walking. When the body feels inflamed, sluggish, or unstable, many people naturally become less active. And unfortunately, less movement can slowly reduce muscle strength, coordination, and walking confidence. But the good news is this: you do not need to completely remove all sweetness from your life. Often, small changes can make a meaningful difference. Instead of foods that create large sugar spikes, try choosing foods that provide steadier, more balanced energy. Things like oatmeal, berries, apples, nuts, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, whole grains, or meals with healthy protein and fiber. These foods digest more slowly, so energy tends to feel steadier, calmer, and longer lasting. And when energy feels more stable, many adults notice better focus, fewer cravings, more comfortable movement, and improved walking confidence. Sometimes the body does not need extreme diets. Sometimes it simply needs gentler fuel, more balance, and fewer dramatic ups and downs. And over time, those small daily choices can help the body feel lighter, steadier, more energized, and more supported from the inside out. Food number 3, too little water. Now, food number 3 is not exactly a food. It's dehydration. Many adults over 60 simply do not drink enough water throughout the day, and sometimes they may not even realize it. Because as we age, the feeling of thirst often becomes weaker, so the body may already be dehydrated before a person even feels thirsty. And dehydration can quietly affect balance, muscle function, blood pressure, energy, focus, and even dizziness while walking. Sometimes people think, maybe I'm just extra tired today, or maybe this is simply part of getting older. But in some cases, the body may simply need more hydration. When the body is dehydrated, the muscles may feel weaker, the joints may feel stiffer, the brain may process information more slowly, and even standing up too quickly may cause lightheadedness or discomfort. For older adults, this can be especially important, because balance and walking confidence depend on many systems working together: the brain, the muscles, the nerves, and circulation. And water helps support all of them. Even mild dehydration may sometimes contribute to fatigue, headaches, muscle cramps, dryness, brain fog, or feeling unsteady on the feet. And when the body feels weak or dizzy, many people naturally become less active. But movement is one of the most important things for healthy aging. Gentle walking, stretching, and daily movement help support circulation, balance, joint comfort, and muscle strength. So keeping the body hydrated can help support movement too. One simple habit can make a surprisingly big difference. Instead of waiting until you feel extremely thirsty, try taking small sips of water consistently throughout the day. A few sips in the morning, a few with meals, a few after walking. Small, steady habits are often easier for the body than suddenly drinking large amounts at once. And remember, hydration does not only come from water. Foods with natural hydration can help too. Things like fruit, watermelon, berries, oranges, cucumbers, soups, leafy vegetables, and broth-based meals. These foods gently support hydration while also providing nutrients the body needs. And many adults notice something interesting. When they become more consistent with hydration, their energy improves. The body feels lighter, the mind feels clearer, and walking often feels smoother and more comfortable. Sometimes the body is not asking for something extreme. Sometimes it is simply asking for better daily support. One sip, one meal, one healthy habit at a time. Tai Chi Walking. Now here's the beautiful part. When healthy eating is combined with gentle movement, the body often responds incredibly well. This is one reason so many adults over 60 enjoy Tai Chi Walking. Because Tai Chi Walking is not about forcing the body. It's about supporting the body, one calm step at a time. It's slow, safe, calming, and deeply connected to balance and body awareness. There's no jumping, no pounding on the joints, no harsh impact, no exhausting workouts that leave the body hurting afterward. Instead, Tai Chi Walking focuses on controlled movement, slow weight shifting, gentle posture awareness, deep breathing, and steady balance training. And for many older adults, that combination feels much more natural and sustainable. When you move slowly, the body has time to feel each step. You become more aware of your posture, your breathing, your balance, and the position of your feet. And that awareness can help improve walking confidence over time. Many adults over 60 say they begin to notice small changes first. Standing up feels easier. The body feels less stiff in the morning. Walking feels smoother. And simple daily activities begin to feel less stressful. Then gradually, something even more important often begins to happen. The fear of falling starts to decrease, and that confidence matters. Because fear itself can make the body tense, and when the body becomes tense, balance often becomes less natural. But slow, mindful movement helps teach the body to relax again. The shoulders soften, the breathing slows down, the steps become calmer and more controlled, and the nervous system begins to feel safer. This is why many people describe Tai Chi Walking as meditation in motion, because it supports both the body and the mind at the same time. And the beautiful thing is, you do not need to do it perfectly. You do not need athletic ability. You do not need intense workouts. Even a few gentle minutes each day can help support better circulation, improved flexibility, steadier balance, and stronger walking confidence. And when healthy food choices are combined with gentle daily movement, many people begin to feel lighter, steadier, more flexible, more energized, and more connected to their bodies again. Slow is not weak. Slow is powerful, especially after 60. And every calm step forward is a gift to the body. Ending. If you're over 60, please remember this. Your body is not weak. Sometimes it simply needs better support, gentler movement, better hydration, and calmer daily habits. One small healthy step each day can create real change over time. And you do not need to punish your body to feel healthier. You simply need to work with your body, slowly, gently, and consistently. If this video helped you, leave a comment below and tell me which of these foods surprised you the most. And if you enjoy gentle balance and walking videos for adults over 60, subscribe and walk with me again soon. Turn on the bell so we can continue walking together, one gentle step at a time.